Introducing the 2014 Jeep Patriot. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, a roof rack, rear wipers, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.